Welcome to my channel. Today's math question is cube root of x plus 13 minus cube root of x minus 13 that is equal to find x value. In the question we have a cube root. It seems a bit complicated. To make it easier, let us assume a equal to cube root of x plus 13, b equal to cube root of x minus 13. Then our equation turns into a minus b that is equal to 2. Let's take our assumption a equal to cube root of x plus 13. Raise both sides of this equation to the third power. Then here cube and cube root gets cancelled. Then you will get a cube equal to x plus 13. Similarly, take b and raise both sides to the third power. Then b cube equal to x minus 13. A cube value is x plus 13. B cube value is x minus 13. Do subtraction, then you will get here minus and here get plus. A cube minus b cube that is equal to plus x minus x gets cancelled. Then you will get plus 13 is 26. We know a minus b equal to 2. If you find a plus b value, using elimination method you can find a and b values. Once we know a and b values, then easily you can find the x value. So that's why our first task is find a plus b value. Our second task is find a and b values. Then our final task is find the x value. So we have 3 goals to complete this Olympiad question. We have a cube minus b cube. What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? That is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, which is equal to 26. And we know that a minus b value is 2. So 2 times a square plus b square plus ab, the value is 26. Divide both sides by 2, then you will get a square plus b square plus ab, that is equal to 13. So recall the cubic equation a minus b whole cube. What is the formula of a minus b whole cube? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This we can write as a cube minus b cube. In the second term, 3ab, take it common, you are left with a. 3ab square, you take it minus 3ab as common, then you are left with b. And we know that a cube minus b cube value is 26. Minus 3 times, we don't know ab value. So just write as it is. Then a minus b value is 2. Here also you can substitute 2. Then 2 cube value is 8. That is equal to 26 minus 6ab. Minus 6ab, that is equal to 8 minus 26. This constant I send it to opposite side. Then it become minus 26. So this value is minus 18. Here minus gets cancelled. Then ab value is 18 by 6, that is 3. Now we know the ab value. Substitute this ab equal to 3 in this equation. Then so this a square plus b square value is 10. To reach our first goal, let's recall the square of binomial, that is a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Square plus b square value is 10 plus 2 times ab value is 3. So then 10 plus 6 is 16. So this is a plus b whole square. Then our a plus b value is plus or minus 4. So we successfully completed our first task. Now using a plus b equal to plus or minus 4 and a minus b equal to 2. Now using these two, we are going to finish our second task, that is to find the a and b values. By using elimination method, I am going to find the a and b values. Substitute this a equal to 3 in the first equation. Then 3 plus b equal to 4. Then b equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. So a equal to 3, b equal to 1. Now here also by using elimination method, we are going to find the a and b values. That is our a value is minus 1. So this a value substitute in the first equation, then you will get b equal to minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to minus 3. Now we have 2 values of a, 2 values of b. We completed our second task also. Now our final task is to find the x value. A equal to 3, b equal to 1, a equal to -1, b equal to -3. So what is our assumption? A equal to cube root of x plus 13. So substitute a value here. B equal to cube root of x minus 13. Substitute b value here. Cube root of x plus 13, that is equal to 3. Raise both sides to the third power. Then this cube root gets cancelled. Then you are left with only x plus 13, that is equal to 27. So then x value is 14. Cube root of x minus 13, that is equal to 1. Our b value is 1. Raise both sides to the third power. Then x minus 13 equal to 1. So x equal to 1. When you send this minus to opposite side, then it will become plus 13. So x equal to 14. So when you take a equal to 3, b equal to 1, you get same values of x, that is x equal to 14. Now we will see a equal to -1, b equal to -3. So use a equal to 1, so that is cube root of x plus 13, that is equal to -1, and do cube on both sides. So then you will get x plus 13 equal to -1. So x equal to -1. This plus 13, when you send to opposite side, it will become -13. So x value is -14. The b value is -3. When you do cube on both sides, then you will get x minus 13, that is equal to -27. So then x equal to -27 plus 13, that is equal to -14. Here also we got same values of x. Our x values are plus 14, -14. Is this x value satisfied our original equation or not? Let's check. Let's take only LHS. Cube root of x value is 14. 14 plus 13 is 27. Minus cube root of, this is 14 minus 13 is 1. That is equal to 27. We can write as 3 cube minus cube root of 1 is 1 only. That is equal. Here cube root gets cancelled. Then you are left with only 3 minus 1, which gives 2. It is same as your original equation. So x equal to 14 satisfied our original equation. Let's take the LHS. So cube root of x value is -14 plus 13 is -1 minus cube root of -14 minus 13 is -27. This 27 we can write it as 3 cube. This cube root gets cancelled. Then cube root of -1 is -1 minus of, here we get -3. So minus of minus is plus 3. So that is equal to 2. It is also satisfied our original equation. So then x values are 14 and -14. This is our final answer. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.